Good morning, everyone. Today, we gather to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, a man who changed the world with his simple yet powerful ideals. Gandhiji's life was a journey of truth, non-violence, and selflessness. What made Gandhiji special was his belief that peace is more powerful than violence. He used the weapon of non-violence or ahimsa to fight against injustice and the British rule in India. Whether it was the Salt March or the Quit India movement, his peaceful protests brought millions of people together. Gandhiji didn't just fight for freedom from the British. He also fought for equality, unity, and upliftment of the poor. His dream was to build a better India, where people of all castes, religions, and backgrounds lived together in harmony. He famously said, "The future depends on what you do today," reminding us that our actions can shape the future. As we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, let us remember his legacy and strive to be like him. Let us be kind to others, speak up for what is right, and work towards a more peaceful world. Jai Hind.